model kit review is of the Toyota GR Supra, a custom version. It's a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya. Got some very nice box art here in the front. This is the more modern Toyota Supra, and we've got some different colors here, kind of like the white one, and front and back there. Some details there, including dimensions. And let's have a look inside. And it looks like we have a lot of parts here. Okay, so we'll start off here with our body. And that is very nicely molded. Look at the lines. That molding quality is great. We've got our very skinny looking rims here. And they're also got looks like lights here, headlights, and exhaust tips in the chrome. The chrome finish on this is just beautiful. Okay, here we've got our tires. These feel like fairly stiff rubber, and got some nice tread on them, as well as some poly caps there. Rest of the body parts here. And we've got our rear bumper there, our front bumper with the grills. That's the hood. Sorry, that's actually the tail. That's the tail. It's a spoiler. It'll go on the back of the car. Here we've got our steering wheel, side mirrors, exhaust there, subframe parts there. This is part of our seats, it looks like. I guess if you're going to make seats that you've got to paint different colors, it's a lot easier to paint them separately and then put them together rather than trying to mask them off. So that's a nice feature. More exhaust parts here. Here's our disc brakes, suspension parts there, and probably parts for the inside of our door cards, the door handles. Now these are parts of the wheels that'll go on to cover the chrome. So that's a very nice feature. You get to paint them separately without having to mask them off. It really is genius. Here are subframe parts, axles, more suspension parts. Looks like our steering rack here, and sway bar. Here is the chassis. Lots of nice detail there. More suspension parts. There's the insides of the doors as well. We've got our cabin. It's a two-seater. They're the two seats. Looks like maybe speakers in the back there. And our central console. Here we have our seats, so more parts for the seats, the central console here. We've got our dashboard, that's for a left-hand drive, that's for a right-hand drive, and windshield wipers, I guess depending on whether you're doing left or right-hand drive. Here are the insides of the doors. There's more parts for the wheels. There's our front grille, some light parts, body parts, all very beautifully molded. Let's look at the quality here of that molding. Looks like we have 4 more wheel options here. Sorry, 4 wheels, 2 different options. We've got front and rear. They are slightly larger on the rear. And part of our spoiler. More body panels here, some rocker skirts there. and it's our rear diffuser over there. Okay, next we've got our glass. We've got our rear glass with the diffuser, or defroster rather. Side glass, front glass. We've got lights, headlights, and so on. All beautifully molded. Just typical quality from Tamiya. Cannot go wrong with Tamiya. Here we've got some decals and masks. That's very nice. And then we've got some metal transfers here, and it's a very nice feature. Sometimes it's really hard to get that little piece painted. Okay, so here's some pictures of the real car. We've got some details here about the car, and then we've got the instructions. Here are the paints needed. And that's the one that's not used, part F1. Otherwise pretty much everything else is used. We've got a Japanese version, European version, and US version. So depending which version you want to build. And start off with the rear suspension and mount that on the chassis. Front suspension there, our wheels. So there's two different options for the wheels. Those are the normal wheels there, but you can do those wheels. Mount the wheels and our exhaust parts there. Build a central console depending on which left and right hand version you're going to build. And we're going to work on the interior. Same thing with the dashboard, left or right hand drive. Here are the seats. And then finish up on the cabin. So actually, looking back here, looks like those parts are actually for the speakers on the back, not the wheels. Interesting. Okay, doors and door cards going together, door panels, and that's mounted onto the chassis. Now we're starting to build the body, putting all the different ducts and vents and so on in there, putting our glass in there. Then the side glass, rear view mirror, putting our bumpers together there. That's the front bumper, and then headlights, and then mounting that onto the body, and then the rear bumper. That's the trunk lid with the spoiler, and then we've got the tail lights there. The chassis is then put onto the body, and then some additional parts here, exhaust tips, license plates, and so on, side mirrors. So there are 8 different colors that were available, and kind of gives you some details there about painting. Here's the paint and decal guide. And that is a very, very nice car. Beautifully molded, lots of details, it's well thought out, and you have the nice decals, the masks, the metal transfers. That's just a beautiful model.